Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can convert AutoCAD drawing to KML, then upload to Google Earth. First, just from here search for upload, click upload. From here I have this recipe, drawing to KML. I put this recipe in the description of the video, you can find it easily. Select it, load. You see, drawing to KML successfully loaded. Close. Then search for IRT, this one, click it. Open this one, select your zone. My zone is 38 north. Then this one, search for KML export. From here you can determine the location, desired location. For example, I want to select desktop. Okay. Select object. For example, I want to select this object of all. Then enter. Name it. Name drawing to KML. From desktop. Save. You have to wait. Open this file now if you don't want to open. Then go to Google Earth, File, Import KML, then go to desktop. You see drawing to KML, that's my file. Select it, open. Okay, then click here, then click this one. Click this three dots for each one, it's not matter. Click this directly, it goes to the right location. That is my KML file. It's in the right location in Google Earth. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.